have an array of beautiful products to share with you. These will be releasing on the 15th. February 15th at 9 a.m. Central Time. Head on over to the Not Too Shabby shop to check out what's new. Yesterday, I shared a peek of some other goodies that will be releasing on the 15th. Today, I'm sharing the remainder of the release. When you spend $60 or more, you will get this super cute stamp set called Violet the Hedgie for free. It'll pop into your cart once your order qualifies. This promotion starts on February 15th at 9 a.m. Central Time. Here's a cute little card I did using that stamp set. We also have some beautiful spring enamel dots. These are called Spring Bliss. They do have some glitter on the inside, so they're sparkly. And these will go perfect with yesterday's paper pad that I shared, along with today's goodies. We have a brand new card front pack. These are called Cottage Blooms card fronts. They are perfectly sized to add to your A2 sized card base. And this one has a really pretty shabby chic vibe. Here are 3 cards I created using this pack. So they turned out really pretty. There are bonus sentiments on the back, so you can trim those out and add them to your cards. I think this one would make a beautiful bridal shower card or sweet 16. And this one says, "Live simply, love deeply." And it's a beautiful window scene with a little bird perched on some beautiful flowers. I added a crumpled seam binding bow for this one. I'm going to add a still photo of Megan's card. She did a couple cards using the backgrounds, along with the ephemera that I shared from yesterday. Let's open up this pack and see all the beautiful designs. So your back page is your sentiments. These are single-sided. You get 2 of each design. There's that beautiful background that Megan used. This is the one I used. It's a beautiful pond scene. Little window ledge scene. A little park scene. A window scene with a vase of flowers. A barrel scene with some apples. A shabby chic shed. I would love to have that. Those beautiful flowers around my shed. Here's a beach scene. A tier tray with macaroons. And then that beautiful dress. Here's a card that Megan sent to me, and I absolutely love it. It's got that beautiful background. It's got the ephemera with the girl with the large flower in front of her face. This is from the ephemera I shared yesterday. And then the sentiment she used was from the back of the card fronts. Find beauty wherever you go. I absolutely love it. So let's take a look at the French toile paper pad. And then we have some beautiful ephemera pieces to go with this. So you get these beautiful vintage prints. On the other side, you'll find a solid. So really pretty colors. So that's a really pretty paper pad, and these teacups are stunning. So this is teacups and petals. There's a couple of sentiments in this pack. And there's a couple of sizes that you'll get. So one's larger and one's smaller. I think most of these images have at least two. I'm going to pop in a stunning card that Megan did using this collection. So thanks for taking a look at the new goodies releasing February 15th at 9 a.m. Central Time. I hope to see you there. Head on over to the shop. Shop early for the best selection. I will have a special bundle with everything in the release for a special bundle price, and I will also have all of the items listed individually. I will have a link to my email list in the description box. If you open that up and sign up for my email list, I'll be sure to send out a reminder about the release. Thanks so much, guys, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.